Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Unit 3 Algebra. Next we are going to see example 3.70 which is in page number 151. Solve 2 1 1 2 into the second matrix xy is equal to 4 5. So solution, you just write the question whatever it is, then you have to mention the order of matrix. So order of this matrix is 2 cross 2 and order of this matrix is 2 cross 1 because number of rows is 2 and number of column is 1. Similarly, the order of matrix is also 2 cross 1. You have to find the value of x and y. So the next step is you just do a matrix multiplication. That is first row and first column you have to multiply. So which is implies 2 into x is 2x plus 1 into y is y. Then second row first column. So 1 into x is x plus 2 into y is 2y which is equal to 4 5. Then next you have to equate this to matrix which is equal to 2x plus y is equal to 4 which is your equation number 1. Then x plus 2y is equal to 5 which is your equation number 2. The next step is you have to solve this two equation to find the value of x and y. So first equation into 2 gives 4x plus 2y is equal to 8. Then second equation into minus 1 implies minus x minus 2y is equal to minus 5, or otherwise you just write the second equation as it is, then you have to subtract this two equation. So 4x minus x is plus 3x plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled which is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. The value of x is equal to 3 divided by 3. Then x is equal to 1. Now substitute the value of x is equal to 1 in any one of this equation, you get the value of y. Substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 1. Equation 1 implies 2x plus y is equal to 4. 2 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. 2 plus y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 minus 2. Y is equal to 2. Therefore, we found the value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Example 3.71 which is in page number 152. If a is equal to 1 minus 1 2 comma b is equal to 1 minus 1 2 1 1 3 and c is equal to 1 2 2 minus 1, show that ab into c is equal to a into bc. So solution, left hand side we are taking the left hand side ab into c. So first you have to find AB, the matrix multiplication AB you have to find. So in matrix A, this is an order 1 cross 3, that is number of rows is 1 and number of column is 3. Similarly, the matrix B has 3 rows and 2 columns. Next we are going to do a matrix multiplication. So first row, first column and first row, second column. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 2 into 1 is plus 2. Then first row, second column, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. 2 into 3 is 6. Which is equal to plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. So you get the matrix 1 4. Then next you have to find AB into C. You find the matrix as 1, 4. The order of the matrix is number of rows into number of columns. So 1 into 2. So here 1 into 2 into the matrix C is given in the question 1, 2, 2 minus 1. So 1, 2, 2 minus 1. It is of the order 2 cross 2. Now again we move for the matrix multiplication, which is equal to first row, first column. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 4 2s are 8. Then first row, second column. 1 into 2 is 2. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, which is equal to 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So this is the matrix of AB into C. This is equation number 1. Next we are going to find A into B into C. Right hand side, A into B into C. So first you have to find the matrix, the product of matrix BC. This is matrix B and matrix C. You go for the matrix multiplication, which is equal to first row, first column. 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Then first row, second column. 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Then second row, first column. 2 1s are 2, plus 2 1s are 2, plus 2. Then second row, second column. 2 2s are 4, plus into minus minus, 1 1s are 1. Then third row, first column. 1 1s are 1, plus 3 2s are 6. Then third row, second column. 1 2s are 2, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, which is equal to minus 1, 3, 4, 3, 7, minus 1. Now you found the matrix BC. Next you have to multiply the matrix A with BC. So A into BC. The matrix A is 1, minus 1, 2 is of order 1 cross 3. Then you found the matrix BC is minus 1, 3, 4, 3, 7, minus 1. This is of order 3 cross 2. So number of columns in matrix A is equal to number of rows in matrix BC. We can multiply, which is equal to first row, first column. So 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. 2 into 7 is 14, plus 14. So first row, second column. 1 into 3 is 3. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 minus 4 plus 14 is 9. 3 minus 3 minus 2 is minus 2. So this is the matrix of A into BC, which is your equation number 2. So from 1 and 2 we proved that AB into C is equal to A into BC. Example 3.72 is your homework problem. This belongs to page number 152. If A is equal to 1 1 minus 1 3 comma B is equal to 1 2 minus 4 2 comma Z is equal to minus 7 6 3 2. Verify that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. So solution, first you have to consider the left hand side A into B plus C. So you have to find the matrix of B plus C. If you find the matrix of B plus C, you get one answer. Then you have to multiply this matrix with A. So A into B plus C is, this is matrix A, this is B plus C matrix. Next you proceed the multiplication steps. So first row, first column, like that you have to multiply and find the value of A into B plus C. You got one matrix. Name that matrix as equation 1. So similarly, you have to move for the right hand side. Then you have to find the matrix AB. Then you have to find again one matrix AC. Finally, you have to add this two matrix, means you get the answer. So you get the resultant matrix, that is A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC is -7, 12, 3, 4. This is the resultant matrix you get. Then we showed that both are equal. So this is your homework problem. Example 3.73, which is in page number 153. If A is equal to 1 to 1, 2 minus 1, 1 and B is equal to 2 minus 1, minus 1, 4, 0, 2. Show that AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose. So solution, first you have to consider the left hand side, AB the whole transpose. Before you are going to find the transpose, you have to find the product of the two matrix AB. So AB is equal to 1 to 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, minus 1, 4, 0, 2. We are going to do a matrix multiplication. So first row, first column, 1 2s are 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 1 into 0 is 0. Again first row, second column, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 2 into 4 is 8, 1 2s are 2. Then second row, first column, 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus 1, 1 into 0 is 0. Second row, second column, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, minus 1 into 4 is minus 4, 1 into 2 is 2. So you get the value, 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, you get 0, minus 1 plus 8 plus 2 is 9, 4 plus 1 is 5, minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, you get minus 4. Then you found the product of AB matrix. Next you have to find the transpose of AB. This is nothing but you have to change the rows into columns and columns into rows. So this is your column, it will become your row, and this is the second column, it will become the second row. So this is your equation number 1. Right hand side you have to find B transpose A transpose. B matrix you know, you have to find the transpose of B. So B transpose is equal to column will be converted into row. So 2 minus 1 0 is the column of B. It will become the row of B transpose. So similarly you have to find the transpose of A. Then you have to do a matrix multiplication B transpose A transpose. This is a matrix of B transpose and this is a matrix of A transpose. You do the matrix multiplication. First row, first column, 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 0 plus 1 is 0. Again first row, second column, 2 2s are 4, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 and 0 plus 1 is 0. Then second row, first column, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 4 2s are 8, 2 into 1 is 2. Then second row, second column, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 4 into minus 1 is minus 4, 2 into 1 is 2. Then you have to add. Plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled, you get 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. Minus 1 plus 8 plus 2 is 9. Minus 2 minus 4 plus 2 is minus 4. So this is your equation number 2. So clearly we prove that AB the whole transpose is equal to B transpose A transpose.